Raskaze from the Culinary Art team at African Center, Hong Kong. On day 3 of the Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp, we are going to learn how to cook. Food is one very important element of our lives. Whoever you are, whatever you do, we all need to eat. So in this summer camp, you will have the opportunity to learn how to cook and to bake different dishes and familiarize yourself with how to use so many different ingredients. This year has been challenging for us as parents. I believe that you love your kids, so if you are like me, you want to give your kids the opportunity to learn something new rather than always staying inside, watching their screens. Learning how to cook through this summer camp will be such a valuable and fun experience they will never forget. So sign up through this QR code or link below. I'm looking forward to meet you all there. See you then!